For thousands of years, gold has fascinated humanity. Jewelry, money, reserves, but today is it still a true safe haven? For centuries, gold was used as universal money. Until the 1970s, the global monetary system was based on gold. Since then, it has lost that official role, but not its importance. A safe haven is an asset that protects during crises. And gold plays that role. When inflation rises, markets fall, or geopolitical tensions flare, investors turn to gold. As a result, its price goes up. But here's the catch: gold doesn't pay interest or dividends. Its price can also be very volatile in the short term. It's security, yes, but not a guaranteed profit machine. Today, many compare gold to Bitcoin. Both are seen as alternatives to traditional money. But gold has thousands of years of history and tangible value, while cryptocurrencies remain much more uncertain. In short, gold is more than just a precious metal. It's insurance against uncertainty. And even with new competitors emerging, gold keeps its unique place in global finance.